you can turn it off because the cop's right there. It's like, cut that shit out. Cut that shit out.
Same cop?
Yeah, he didn't pull us over though.
Oh, hi. So today we are filling up these 2 trucks.
He's taping Dave, taping the truck.
Today we're filling up these 2 and
see how many people we can piss off or make smile. Maybe it'll be a little bit of both.
and you don't want to waste your time driving to the beach, so we just want to fill the truck bed up with the pool and then
Bring the
like
pool
we
with
can just chill. Like. This is awesome, bro. How's it going? How you doing, man?
We brought the hose.
You ever seen turn? Refreshing. How low did you fill the water hose?
At 5 p.m.
Yeah.
What's Dave doing? He's eating.
Yes.
Dude.
We better go.
You want some of this muffin?
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Live on Drury Lane.
All right, give it back.
I think my gums have buttons.
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing it.
Yeah.
It was that bad?
Oh, here, I got a fart. We had the same idea. That was good, dude. That was right above us.
You better get a good shot because I don't know how long I can hold this.
Hit the gas! Hit the gas!
No, I don't want to try to move. I'm not Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I never get back. Let me root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. 'Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
Put the driver in the eye.
Oh God.
Somebody gotta get that Mustang.
We're gonna get the cops called up. Okay, yeah, we can take it.
Hey, let me do the split. I'm ready. I'm gonna try to hold my breath and split from this side to that side.
No, you're crazy, dude. No freaking way. Dude, how do you freaking do that? Oh
I mean,
wow.
I've tried it since I was a kid. My dad can go from one side to the other.
Come on, film right here. I gotta fart. Oh, there's no bubbles.
Right in the face!
Hopefully nobody has some long
We were shooting people in traffic and stuff. These kids was like, shoot us, and I shot them. There was a cop behind us, I didn't even know. You can turn it off because the cop's right there. It's like, cut that shit out. Cut that shit out.
He saw like the kids and family like laughing and playing about it. Squirt us! And then like we did it again, he just drove past us and didn't even care.
Yeah, whatever. Fuck it.
Yeah, he didn't pull us over though. That's weird.
And then Chris waited till like the very end, and these like good-looking girls. And they were right by us, like, oh my gosh.
We like almost got to him, and you're like brakes.
Yeah, we're just.
Cole's knee was like,
I'm sorry, everyone back there. I hope they're okay.
I got kicked by a horse.
Cut it open. Cut it open and record it.
Okay, I'll go get the box out of it. I've popped it like so many times.
How much junk comes out of it though?
None.
You have to get it to the roof.
How deep you go?
I took a book stem and I just slammed it.
What? Latex gloves in there?
Yeah.
We can do this right now.
That's a box.
Make an incision. That's
Yeah, we gotta make an incision. We gotta do this on video?
But no, I gotta go feed the kids, y'all. But next time, next time, next time we're gonna do that suitcase again. I still don't know if I would even reveal it yet because it was so good. I guess they put the rigs here so you can get these suitcases.
I don't see this going too well. That's why. Here, let me get a plunger. Hold on.
Go up this way.
Oh, that's gonna happen. Look at it.
Okay.
Oh man, I found it hilarious. Oh, when they walked over and she was unzipping it, I was cracking up again. You just sat there still.